Question 1. A steady red arrow signal means you must stop and then proceed when it is safe to do so. You should prepare to stop and yield to oncoming traffic before turning. You must stop and you cannot turn in the direction of the arrow. Question 2. Which of the following statements about passing other vehicles is true? Do not pull out to pass unless you know you will have enough space to pull back into your lane. Always signal before passing. Both of the above are true. Question 3. Locked wheel skids are usually caused by pressing the gas and brake pedals at the same time, braking too hard at a high speed, turning the ignition to the lock position while the vehicle is still in motion. Question 4. Following too closely behind another vehicle is called defensive driving, aggressive driving, tailgating. Question 5. When should you switch on your high beam headlights? When driving in open country at night or on dark city streets. At night when it rains. All night. Question 6. Which of the following statements is true about airbags? They must be installed in all cars. They are installed to provide additional safety beyond seatbelts. They can be installed instead of seatbelts. Question 7. This sign warns you about a winding road, a slippery road, a two-way road. Question 8. Intersections, expressways, roundabouts are the most likely places for car and motorcycle collisions to occur. Question 9. What is the first rule of a safe and legal turn? Move into the proper lane well before the turn. Reduce speed. Increase speed. Question 10. In California, the speed limit for a blind intersection is 25 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour, 15 miles per hour. Question 11. Lanes of traffic going in opposite directions are divided by yellow lines, white lines, black lines. Question 12. What should you do if you are overtaking a bicycle and an oncoming vehicle is approaching at the same time? Slow down and let the oncoming vehicle pass first to leave extra room for the bicycle. Overtake the bicycle first to leave extra room for the oncoming vehicle. Leave a little room for the oncoming vehicle while overtaking the bicycle. Question 13. If you plan to turn beyond an intersection, you must signal just before making the turn. Start signaling when you are in the intersection. Signal before passing through the intersection. Question 14. Before backing up your vehicle, you should look to the front, sides, and rear, and continue to look in the side mirrors, to the rear, to the front while backing. Question 15. At an intersection, you should yield to another vehicle. If the vehicle is just starting to enter the intersection. If the vehicle is to your right and arrived at the same time as you. In both of the above situations. Question 16. What does this sign mean? Go straight. Merge left. Turn left or go straight. Question 17. When turning left from a multi-lane one-way road onto another one-way road, start your turn from the far left lane, the far right lane, any lane. Question 18. When you park and leave your vehicle on a highway or street, you should not lower the windows, set the parking brake, stop the engine. Question 19. Your vehicle breaks down on a freeway. You are not able to move the vehicle off the road completely as the road shoulder is too narrow. What is the best thing to do? Stay inside your vehicle with the seatbelt on until help arrives. Leave the vehicle immediately and wave at drivers to let them know you are blocking the lane. Exit on the right side of your vehicle and proceed to a safe place. Question 20. Before reaching the crest of a hill or entering a curve, you must slow down, move to the right side of the road. Speed up, turn on the headlights. Slow down, move to the left side of the road and watch for oncoming vehicles. Question 21. Large electronic flashing arrow panels may be used in work zones day and night to divert drivers into work zones, guide drivers into certain traffic lanes, guide drivers into certain parking zones. Question 22. If a car approaches you with its high beam headlights on, you must look toward the right edge of the road. Look at the center of the road. Look toward the left edge of the road to keep yourself from being temporarily blinded. Question 23. When you turn left from a one-way street onto another one-way street, you should turn into any safely open lane. The far left lane. The far right lane. Question 24. If a tire suddenly goes flat while you're driving, you should increase your speed. Hold the steering wheel tightly and keep the vehicle straight. Move to the left side of the road. Question 25. High occupancy vehicle, HOV, lanes are reserved for tractor-trailers with less than 3 persons, carpools and vehicles with more than 1 person, farm machinery vehicles and trucks. Question 26. What does this sign mean? A hospital ahead. Wheelchair availability. A place reserved for persons with disabilities. Question 27. When you approach a roundabout, you must enter to the right, center, left of the central island. Question 28. A center lane between lanes of traffic traveling in opposite directions may be designated for left turns only, right turns only, passing. Question 29. On a highway with 3 or more lanes going in one direction, vehicles passing others or turning left should use the left lane, the middle lane, the right lane. Question 30. What does this sign mean? A flag person is ahead, vehicles must go slow. A pedestrian crosswalk is ahead, vehicles must yield. A crew is at work, vehicles must slow down. Question 31. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? Alert the police immediately. Increase your following distance. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to get off the phone. Question 32. What does this sign indicate? Look straight while driving. You can only go straight. There is a one-way street ahead. Question 33. It is unsafe for you to pass when the vehicle ahead is traveling slower than the safe speed. You are moving through an intersection. The pavement markings are broken yellow lines. Question 34. If you are approaching a stop sign, you must stop at the broken white limit line. Stop at the solid white limit line. Stop at the broken yellow limit line. Question 35. What should you do if another driver tailgates your vehicle? Change lanes to allow the tailgater to pass. Do not allow the tailgater to pass you. Increase your speed to get away from the tailgater. Question 36. You must use your high beam headlights in all of the following situations, except in construction areas, in fog, snow, or heavy rain, on unfamiliar roads,